Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door hinge plate in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Torx 15 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door hinge plate. The door hinge plate is located inside the door assembly. It serves as a mounting bracket for the door hinge. If the washer door is not closing properly, check and replace the door hinge plate, if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door, and then we're going to remove all these Torx 15 screws. Right, we're going to start from the bottom, half. All right, now we're going to remove the outer door, put it away, and we're going to close the door. Now we need to take out these 8 screws. They are Torx 15. This is the old door hinge plate next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now I'm going to install the new plate. Match the holes and secure it with the screws using the Torx 15 screwdriver. Alright, so I'm going to use the same Torx 15 screwdriver. You can use anything you want. I'm going to open the door, swing it open, and we're going to install the outer door on. Then we'll have another 150 screws here from the back. They are all Torx 15. So I'm going to start with these screws on diagonal. Don't go too hard because you're going to break this tubes inside. All right, now we can close the door. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.